12 cylinders, 9,500 tours, no turbos. This is Ferrari's last mechanical masterpiece. The design is a radical tribute to the legendary Daytona, but underneath lies pure high-tech. At its heart, a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 that reaches its mechanical crescendo at a staggering 9,500 RPM, 830 horsepower, no turbos, no hybrid assistance. Equipped with independent 4-wheel steering and a shortened 8-speed dual clutch transmission. This Ferrari reacts faster than you can think. Look at the rear, no fixed wings, just active aero flaps that only come to life at high speeds. It's a perfect symbiosis of nostalgic beauty and functional perfection. Opening the door feels like stepping into a completely new Ferrari era. This is a dual cockpit, a radical shift that divides driver and passenger into two symmetrical zones. The iconic yellow dial is now fully digital, yet the soul remains analog. Look at these pedal shifters. Every click is a mechanical invitation to unleash the 830 horsepower behind you. A cockpit that leaves no questions unanswered. Pure perfection from Maranello. The 12Cilindri is a mechanical monument. In a world of batteries, this naturally aspirated engine is the loudest answer Maranello has ever given. Pure perfection without compromise. Be honest, is this the last real Ferrari? Let us know in the comments. We'll read them all. Thanks for your support and see you on the next drive.